Hello. Today I'm going to continue to share my experience for the Cloud Control 13C setup. In today's video, I'm going to go through the step 5, which is a create agent on host using push method. The push method meaning is you install the agent from the OMS server. The OMS setup the way it is client server model. You have a communication between your OMS server, which is the other server like a database server, web server. OMS server will be issued a command, and then the job will be done on the real server side, like a database server. In that case, you need to install an agent. Talk to OMS server. This agent will be installed on the remote server, which is database server or web server. The push is the method you can start in your OMS server without go to your database server or client server. Here is a step we're going to follow. The first thing is on OMS server, you need to modify some files to change it, because I did it from very beginnings to it is failed, and then I contact Oracle said this is a known issue. You need to do some change to be able to do the remote push. So here is the file. The first file for the remote pre-request checker.xml. Here is the path under sysman prov agent push xmls, this file. In this file, you do following change. You find this line deploy id remote pre-req checker skip product equals to fields. Change the fields to true. This is the first file. The second file is on the same location. The name is initialization deploy.xml. You find action displayed name remote validations change from false to true. And then when you change this to, you can successfully to deploy the agent. Create the agent if you want to, that's fine. If you don't want to, the Oracle can create it for you. And then so you log in OMS as a sysman, or maybe it's a super user create, it's fine. Still on the right corner, click on the setup, which is the gear shape one icon. Select and target. And select and target manually. The next screen, you choose on your right side, the first one, there's something on the top called Install Agent on Host. You click on that one. It gives you the next screen. In the next screen, there's one, and here. Click on, and by now you see the host, there's nothing, right? You click on and to add new one. When you click on the next screen, it gives you the choice. You can add host. You put in the host name here and select what is the platform, Linux or Windows. And you go to next one. When you go to next one, by now it shows you have one host, right? You have one host. Select, and then you click next. For the next screen, oh, not yet. You got to put information here. Here is the information's installation, the base directory you put here, and then the instant directory will be pop up itself. Yeah. Here is the name credential, because when you install on this server, you need to log on. If installation was done by Oracle, you say you provide your password, right? This is named credential we created before, so you choose what it is. When you select it, you put on next. Click next. Next, they give you the review screens. In the review screens, the one thing I didn't talk to you before installation of what you're going to do. If you see the review, there's two ports. One OMS upload port 4903. Another one is port 3872. So because OMS and agent, they talk to each other, right, remotely. So from OMS server to talk to your agent, it is through port 3872. That's meaning you have to ask network people to open port 3872 on your client server, which is a database server or web server, no matter where this agent is going to install to. Open that port there. But on OMS side, you have to open the port 4903, which is used from your agent to talk to your OMS server. So this port has to be open to do this. When you got everything on this page, you click on the deploy agent. Deploy agent, there's three things: initialization, remote check, and also agent deploy. Right? Initialization will be itself is to first you're going to see some yellow things here like this, but that is not finished yet in the middle. When it's finished, you can see green check. Right? You see the green check. When see green check, go to next step, it's called the remote check. In the remote check screens, when the initialization finish, remote check, right? It will check everything, but in this case, because we do not give the root password to the user, to the super user, so they don't know what it is. Then they're going to waiting here, say, do you have the privilege, root privilege, to running something? You don't have it. It will stay there forever to waiting for you. So what you're going to do is go to continue. Click here, there's two choices. You click on continue all host. Then the next step is to deploy started. You will see 5 dots here. You're going to sort one by one. One root.sh is going to remain there because that one you cannot do it now. You do not, the OMS do not know the password. When the other 4 became a green check, then you can go to server to running the root.sh. Here is when the deploy finish, this fork became green, and root 1 you needed to do it on your client server, which is database servers, web servers, running root.sh. When you finish it, you can see your host here is up. It's a new one, is up. You click on here, you can see all the things about this host because the agent is already installed there. So this is the way we call the push. You do it from OMS side. When I did the first time, it's failed. So I think a different way. Another way is I'm going to share with you is using manually install agent on the client server side. See you next time.